Hi students, today we will study the lesson number 2, parallel lines and its transversal. Okay, first we will study the point. What do you mean by the parallel lines? I will draw the two lines. Okay, these are called as an parallel lines. Now, this is an line L and line M. It may be of any measure, maybe of 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, but they are in the same plane. It is called as an parallel lines. Now, what do you mean by the word transversal? The word transversal means what? When we draw two parallel lines and a line which is going transversal, okay, which cuts these two parallel lines, it is called as a transversal. Means this line is called as a transversal line. Okay, if LM, then N is called as a transversal line. Now next point, it is the angles made by the transversal. Now what do you mean by the angles made by the transversal? The angles means what? Now I have drawn these two parallel lines and one transversal here. Now different angles we will see where in this by using the transversal. First one, it is an corresponding angle. Corresponding angles means what? When these two parallel lines and one transversal, the angle AMQ, okay, I will write here angle AMQ, which is here outside of the two parallel lines, and angle MNS and angle MNS. This is also an corresponding angle. Okay, understand? There are no, you can write here next, it is an AMP and MNR. This is second pair of an corresponding angles. Similarly, we can take one interior and one exterior also. Okay, now next point, it is an interior angles. Interior angles means what? Now angle QMN and angle MNS, both are an interior angle. I will draw with the cross. Okay, these are the interior angles. Understand this, student? Now next, it is an alternate interior angle. Alternate means what? One angle from the parallel side here and another from here. Okay, I will write here alternate angle. Angle PMN and this angle and angle MNS and angle MNS is an alternate angle, and which is also an interior angle. Alternate interior. Interior means what? In between these two parallel lines. Now alternate exterior angle. Exterior means what? Which is outside the two parallel lines. Now I will take one angle which is alternate exterior angle. Angle AMP. What it is an? Angle AMP and angle SNT. SNT. This is an alternate exterior angle. One angle from this side, one angle from this side. This is called as an alternate exterior angle. Understand this? Now next, it is an properties of an angles by the two parallels and its transversal. I will write in short. Number one, first it is an angle B and angle F. Angle B is congruent to angle F. This is an corresponding property. Angle B and angle F. Similarly, angle A and angle E. Angle A and corresponding to angle congruent to angle E. This, understand? B and F, A and E. This is an corresponding angle. Now second point, I will write here C and F. Angle C congruent to angle F. Okay, this is congruent. Otherwise, we will say here it is an interior angles. Okay, interior angles. Next point, it is an angle D and angle F. Third point, angle D is congruent to angle F. Here it may be congruent or not. Okay, angle D and angle F, it is an congruent angle. This is an interior alternate angles. Understand? I have covered all these points. Now next, it is an property of an interior angle. What do you mean by property of an interior angle? Here I have told you that it may be or may not be. Okay, similarly I will tell with this question that property of an interior angle. Now I will see here. Now angle C and angle F. Angle C plus angle F. When we take, see, you can easily here write, see here, this is an acute angle and this is an obtuse angle. It is an 180 degree. This is an first property. Angle C and angle F, it is an 180 degree. Similarly, angle D plus angle E is also an 180 degree. Understand? Okay. Angle D and angle E is an also an 180 degree. This is called as a property of an interior angle. In this lesson, you have seen here, draw a parallel line. I have drawn this line L, here it is. With the help of an set square. with the help of an set square. You will take here set square means what, which is an shape of an this. I will draw here set square means what, which is an of a triangular in shape. This is called as an set square. You will keep this line parallel to this line, touch this line, and take another set square which is an of like this shape, and given measure, for example you have given the 2.5 measure or 3 centimeter, then count it and draw a line like this, okay, with the help of this set square. And this measure is, maybe you know, this is an 3 centimeter. Understand? In this way we can draw this parallel line, and this we will take out this set square and then continue this parallel line here, then it will be a new line. It is called as a line M. Understand this? Now I will explain this second point. Angle C is, I have told you, may or may not be. So it is an, I have explained it, it is an interior angle. I have covered all the points. Number one, corresponding angle. This is an interior angle and this is an interior alternate angles. You may cut this concurrent sign here also. Okay. Understand? If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.